walking this Fort Hill Earthworks trail for about 40-45 minutes. I don't know if I'm looking at earthworks or not, to be honest with you, but just know shorts and the Crocs, not everybody's comfortable in that. You know how we do. You get out there in it, it's about like waist high at some point. Trail is not very well maintained, but it's beautiful. I guess it's maintained perfectly because, you know, we don't want it to be too, that's travel, a little rougher. That makes out for much more beautiful adventure in the end. Yeah, a lot of wild stuff.